Hi guys, today we're going to make the most easiest face mask you'll ever see. Since it's the coronavirus outbreak right now, it's very important to wear masks when you go outside. And masks are not available during this time because of the huge demand. If we all make our own masks at home, then the medical masks can be made available for healthcare workers. This video shows a super easy way of making masks at home. To do this, all we need are a piece of cloth, some type of super glue, and 2 rubber bands. First, let's cut out a pattern. For that, we need some measurements. Let's take the measurement from our nose to our chin. Mine is 4 inches. The second measurement is a horizontal measurement from this cheek to this cheek. Mine is 7 inches. You only need these 2 measurements for your face mask. The vertical measurement was 4 inches. So we need to add 1 inch extra, so the total would be 5 inches. Now let's draw the horizontal measurement. Add 1 inch extra to your measurement, so mine would be 8 inches. Draw 2-inch lines on both ends. Draw a line connecting both ends together, forming a triangular shape. On the bottom side, connect both ends using curved lines, and it forms like a semicircle. Our pattern is ready. Let's cut this out. Our cutout is ready. Now, take a piece of cloth, fold it in halves, place the pattern with one end on the folded side and the other end on the open side. Mark the pattern and cut the fabric. Our fabric is ready. One side is folded and the other side is open. The next step is to glue the top portion and the bottom portion. We need to leave this side open. Now, through this open end, we need to flip the fabric. We will get a piece like this. The last step is to attach rubber bands on both sides. To do that, place the rubber band like this, fold the end, and glue it. Wasn't this easy? No sewing, it's an easy pattern, and anyone can make it within 5 minutes. There's a bird feeder in front of my home. I'm going to go feed the birds wearing the mask. Look, a bird is eating the food I kept there. But look, there's someone else eating the food. It's a squirrel. Hope you all liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.